This week, my friend Logan is going to come over to help build the first tabletop on the flow trail. But first, I have to address a major issue in my trails. This area where I am currently building does not drain very well. At all. One of the bomb holes was so drenched with water, it came halfway up my boots. So I have to dig trenches for the water to drain to the low points, and it's like 95 degrees out. So, yeah. After I recovered from digging the trenches, and I got braces on, again, my friend Logan and his brother Lucas decided to drop by. Logan and I then got right to work by extending the bomb hole off the double. After a few more wheelbarrows and a big pile of dirt, we started to dig the bomb hole on the other side of the tabletop. We then shaped it, watered it, and packed it, and we were done. The tabletop's been sitting in the sun. It's starting to bake. It's not fully done, but we've got to stretch for time, so we're going to have a fun session with Garrett and Logan and Lucas, so yeah.
Oh gosh.
So yeah, this build was really awesome. It was really fun. First one with a friend.
Just gotta say it was super fun.
Thanks for helping me.
Thanks for having me.
As always, thanks for building with me, and I'll catch you later.
That sucked.